How to unlock apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to regain access to locked application. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to go ahead and open settings. Scroll down. Now navigate to privacy. Tap on privacy next to permissions and under privacy protection, you will find different options like app lock, hide apps and private save. Simply tap on app lock and here you will see the app lock option at top of the screen. You need to use the privacy password to access locked app. So make sure that you turn on the button. And suppose if you have turned on the button for any particular application and locked a device or app, you can tap on locked next to all and here you will see the locked applications on this section. To unlock, simply you have to toggle the button off and unlock the applications on your Android phone. With this, you will successfully regain access to locked applications. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.